In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to push your code into a GitHub repository. So here, just open GitHub and press on this button, this plus here, and select this new repository. Here, just add a repository name. For me, I'm going to name it IMS. That's shortcut for Inventory Management System. You can provide your description if you want. And down here, just press Create Repository. So we have here the steps to push your code to your repository. We will skip this because this will add a README file, so we will skip this command, but we will use this command, get init, to initialize a repository. So here, in the terminal of your repository, just paste this command to initialize your repository. Second, here we got here, get add README. We also will change this command because this command to add just README, but we want to add all the files. So I'm going to use get add dot. Get add and just type dot here to add all the files. Okay. Then we're going to create our commit. So let's copy this command and paste it here to commit our changes. Now the second command to rename our branch to master. So let's just copy it and go to our code and paste it. Then we will use this command get remote. Let's get remote to manage remote repositories. So let's just copy this command and paste it here. And finally, let's push our code to our repository. So let's copy this command and paste it here and press enter. Now we are done and our code is pushed. And if you go back to GitHub here and just refresh the repository page, you're going to find we got here a repository IMS, and here's our code.